Hello, hello! So, you're a beginner with wigs, then you decided to go ahead and buy one of the wigs Stella is always advertising. Isn't that right? Okay, we have a box. I think it's something similar to Stella's. Yeah, it looks pretty damn accurate, ain't it? Alright, well, let's see what's in here. Oh, beautiful. So we've got a wig, a book, something else. Maybe a brush, a wig cap? What? Okay, let's see what this wig even is made of. That's long. That's not what she said. Is that what a wig looks like? Not to be a sore loser, but that looks pretty damn fake. But it's okay because Stella's many videos explain how to style it. And I'm sure you've watched them all. Step 1. Brush out the hair. Not with that, you twat, with an actual brush. Duh. A lot of wigs often appear fake because they are very, very tangled. So I have to brush it out. Yes, it's soft. Step number 2. Grab your straightener or your hairdryer or anything with heat and start smoothing it out, preferably on a mannequin. Wigs, especially synthetic ones, often come a bit kinkier out of the box than we'd naturally like, and if we ordered a wavy sort of wig, we need to smoothen it out. Lightly, because it is plastic after all, run it through with some heat. Be it a straightener or a hairdryer, just get rid of those kinks, girl. This ain't no cosplay, this is real life. Time to butcher it. I mean, give it a nice haircut. Because synthetic wigs are often used for cosplay, they are often very, very long. Natural or real hair, especially colored hair, is never that long, so chop it off. You know, a bit. You did kind of give out your money for this, so try not to overdo it. Chop, 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 da, da, da. Practice your future hairdressing skills on this wig. Think of it as your clientele. Next up, analyze your own hairline. Do you see, you know, those hair kind of patches? Do you see how uneven it is? Now look at your wig and realize the fact that if you put on your wig as it is, it would probably look like a helmet. We don't want that. Grab your favorite pair of hair removal tools. Well, stick to tweezers, don't go for the wax strips just yet. And start plucking. And be generous with it. Our hairline is like an imperfect balding scenario. We want the same for our wigs. Repeat all over, on the hairline of course. Don't forget that parting, otherwise it's gonna look real fake. And then go over it with a hairdryer to smoothen out the parting. This can be applied anytime you do a parting. Oh, look how pretty I am. Yes, those are the wig caps that you need in order to wear a wig. Take it out, try it on. Yeah, on your head, Stella, on your head. Okay, so it's not working how you like it, is it? Are you going to do as I say now? Part your hair in the same parting as you would like on your wig. So all the way down to the very back, and then start French braiding it. Yes. When you're doing it, make sure it's tight, neat, and most of all, flat. We're not looking for perfect, we're not looking for instaggles, we're looking for a flat braid. Repeat. And yeah, take your wig cap and very nicely and neatly tuck in your braid, or yeah, just do whatever, just tuck them in. Good? Okay. Now, the thing that's actually going to make our wig stay on our heads and actually, you know, kind of stay. All wigs should come with adjustable straps, and you need to make sure that the wig is really, really super tight on your head, so tighten it as much as you can. And now it's time to customize our hairline, and that includes around the ears, since most probably the wig overlaps it. Take out your scissors and start chopping again. Yay! Arts and crafts completed. Now, put it on your head. That was kind of the whole goal of this video. Make sure that it's secure on your head. This is where the tightening comes in. If you feel it moving around, bouncing, whatever, tighten that ish up. Once you admired how beautiful you look, it's time to fix that parting. If you admire your own parting, you will see that in the middle there's kind of like a white strip through it, and that is the scalp showing through. Obviously on a wig there's no such thing, there's your own hair underneath that, so we need to fake it. Wigs are also missing baby hairs. If you look at your own hairline, you will see that you have a bunch of tiny strands around your face. We're gonna do the same for the wig. Separate a section, straighten it lightly with a straightener, and then chop chop. Think about 1 inch to 2 inches away from your face. Wow, now we repeat it on the other side because we're nice. Look how gorgeous! Okay, obviously we need to touch up our blue lips because otherwise how else are we going to look like an elf? And I think we're done. Cool, so this is how I personally usually DIY my wig anytime I get one. This is something I do specifically for synthetic hair. The wigs, typically human hair ones, are a bit, well, typically easier to blend, make look more natural, whatever. But if you're a beginner and if you obviously want to buy a synthetic one because it's relatively cheaper, and you want to just start something, I hope this could have been of some help to you. Thank you, Feshfen. This wig is by Feshfen.com. I get a lot of wonderful synthetic wigs from there, so till now every single one of them blended really nicely. So yeah, so if you want a really good synthetic wig, try theirs. I will leave this exact wig down below. The color is gorgeous. The cut of it is, well, now it's shorter, but it actually has this really nice, like, kind of this movement to it that I'm liking. So yes, but yeah, link will be down in the description box below, as well as any coupon codes if you need / want any. Obviously I did this without gluing it down. I am actually not a fan of gluing things down simply because it's such a hassle, and even such a hassle to remove. However, it does stay significantly longer. But if I sometimes feel that my wig is good enough, solid enough, without having to glue it down, I will very gladly skip the part. Yeah, I hope this could have been of some help. I hope you learned something, or at least got an idea of things, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I had an interesting time filming it. Bye! I think Stella did a pretty good job of teaching me. Pity I don't like wigs, I guess.